It is time to talk about the funniest coin around. Are you guys Gen Z? Then you like MOG coin. That's at least what I think, because this one is a cat, and mogging is not really a word that most humans use. So if you're under the age of 20, this is for you. This is at a market cap of almost 700 million. And in the last month alone, despite everything else dipping and going down, we're still up 15%. In the last week, we're up 40%. The past day, about 3%. But still, 3%, double 30. I take that. We have 420. It's an old funny number. And a 69. That's also an old funny number. As the max supply, currently 85% of that is in circulation. And I'm looking into buying this at this current level. Here's why. TikTok is really big. Most humans aren't humans anymore. They simply consume content. Anybody who is Gen Z, who gets into crypto this cycle, will look into this shit. Anything that has to do with meme coins, funny, haha, look at this cat. I think anything in that category that has to do with mewing, mogging, any other word that the streamers make nowadays, there's probably Gap coin as well, and some other things, Ohio Drummer Shake, all of that. I'm pretty sure that those coins will do well this cycle simply because people there like 16 during COVID that created all of brain rot TikToks are now in a position where they have their own money, they have a job with McDonald's, and they can buy things. And they all like to gamble. This is gambling. Now they are listed on Kraken, on Bybit, on Gate, Bridget Maxi, so somewhat legit. I'm pretty sure you can just buy yourself into those exchanges. By the way, it's not like an actual onboarding process. You just give them money and you're listed. So pretty good business deal. You can get it on Uniswap. It's on ETH as well as Base. Base is great because it's one of the, if not the smartest and fastest growing chain right now. So any meme on there, like MOG or Degen or Brett for that case, is going to go well. But also because it has no gas fees. If you stop ETH at the peak of the market, but anything on ETH, it's like $200 in gas or more, and that sucks. They also make some funny trailers. They probably use AI. They generate some pictures. Isn't that beautiful? If you want to give them money, I would probably do it on Base, so give use to the ecosystem as well. And I think, as an actual prediction, this should overtake Pepe, because Pepe is like an OG meme, just so the name behind it and the picture, while Mark is like new money and new meme, which probably has a battle against Pepe Donchier. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see market life $3, $4, $5 billion in the next 2 months. It shouldn't be that difficult to get like a 6 of 10x in here even. There was most of the tokens in supply already. I would assume a big chunk of that is burnt as well. They shouldn't have a hard time in order to go off. Now I think that despite respectable categories like, AI and games and whatever, memes will probably be the best performing sector in all of crypto. I'm pretty sure if you have multiple portfolios on bonusful memes and anything that looks stupid and retarded, but probably goes up in value like Brook of Meme, Floki, Bonk, Brad, whatever, this probably outperforms most investments simply because it's funny. And we are seeing with GameStop, Roaring Kitty, all of that, how insane amounts of money can be accumulated by a community of people that think it's funny. So this probably does something similar. Also for the past week, what other category of coins went up by 30% or more? None. I think generally none. If you look into gaming as a category, let's pick a couple categories just to see. Let's go into retail. Okay, we have the Sandom, 20% or Sandom 60%. Okay, so this category subs. Let's go into video. We have 30% on iOS, 23% on ALI. But the rest is more like 2 and 5%. Some were done 40%. Memes overall went down by like 20 to 50% just in the last couple days, and that's some Bitcoin went from 60 to 63k. This alone, a 3% gain in here, is worth a 30% plus gain in memes. And if you keep that in mind, you will see that if this goes back up to 75k or so we have a 15 to 20% gain in here, the memes can double, triple, quadruple in that same time frame. And therefore, you should take your money and give it to them, because it's a funny coin, and it's a cav, and it's mogging you.